Hello, are you Latino? Do you like phone? Come to Latino phone services! Do you like phone where you can press button? We have that. Do you like phone that is good phone and not bad? We have that too. Now you don't have to miss any of your relatives. You can talk to Ernesto.
Hello, Ernesto.
You can talk to Rodrigo.
Hello, Rodrigo.
You can talk to Chavo.
Hello, Chavo.
You can talk to Felicio.
Hello, Felicio.
You can talk to Antava Costecha Luisa Campanada de Vivaldini Chavez.
Hello.
You can't even order burrito.
Hello, I like burrito. Yes?
Okay, so come to Latino phone services. No one is going to buy your fucking album, senor. Yeah.